Hi, today I want to talk to you about the schwa sound. The what? Yeah, the schwa sound is the most common vowel sound in the English language. And if you use it correctly, it will help you to sound more natural, more native. So, let's practice it. But what is the sound? It is simply this sound. Ah. Ah. Yeah, beautiful, isn't it? So, if you feel stupid saying it, then you are probably saying it perfectly. So, let me hear you say, Yeah, this is the sound we say when we are thinking. I often hear foreign speakers saying or but in English we say So let me hear you say it again. Hey, good. You hear the schwa sound in many words, like up, of, and the. Do you hear it? Now, we typically think of the sound in relationship to the letter U, like in the words but, under, or cup. But actually, you can hear it used for all 5 vowels in certain words. For example, you can hear it at the beginning of the word 11. Did you hear that? I didn't say 11. Of course, it's correct if you say it with the E sound, and people will understand you. But native speakers, we say 11. Let me hear you say it. Perfect. Now listen to this word. Imagine. Did you hear the schwa sound? Where was it? That's right, at the beginning. Imagine. You're getting good at recognizing the schwa sound. So, a lot of times we reduce a lot of short common words to the schwa sound. Like a becomes a, of becomes a, and to becomes ta. For example, a cup of tea becomes a cup of tea. A cup of tea. This is also the sound you hear with OU, like at the end of delicious, hilarious, or jealous. Repeat after me. Delicious, hilarious, jealous, stupendous. It's also the sound you hear at the end of the words when you see I-O, when it forms the sound shun. So listen to these words. Nation, creation, caution. You hear it? Shun. So repeat this sentence. The creation of the nation was done with caution. Nice job. You are becoming an expert. Okay, another place we find this sound is with the word have when it's an auxiliary verb, like would have becomes woulda, could have becomes coulda, good, and should have becomes exactly. So repeat. You shoulda told me. I woulda done it. Perfect. You can especially hear it when we're speaking quickly. So repeat after me. You shoulda told me. I woulda done it. Great job. Okay, the last case we're going to talk about is where to changes to the schwa sound. You can hear this in 3 specific super common instances. Examples. So, want to becomes wanna. Got to becomes gotta. And going to becomes gonna. Exactly, you know these. And you can hear the schwa sound at the end. So, if you want to speak more naturally, you're gonna want to master the schwa sound. Okay, well that's the end of the video, and I hope this video helped you to get better and better every day. Hey, whoa, too close. Well, thank you for watching my video, and if you liked it, please consider liking and subscribing. Or is it subscribing and liking? I can never remember, but you are clever. You can figure it out. Okay, well, thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you here at Chameleon English. Bye-bye.